good, YouTube? It's your girl Nina, and I'm back with a prank. Team Lane, because I'm getting him back to back. Oh shit! So we're at the freaking gas station. What's it called? We're at the gas station clearly, but we're at the vacuum spot. Okay, I was supposed to do this prank yesterday, but it didn't work out. But I found perfect opportunity because he is in the car asleep, y'all. This boy done fell asleep knowing that we're doing prank wars. Like, what is wrong with him to really go to sleep and think that I can't come up with a banger outside? Like, don't play with me. Like, don't play with me, because now you ready to get got. So he just opened his eyes when I was like standing there recording. So I'm like, but hopefully he's gonna fall back asleep because he didn't get much sleep last night, whatever. So yo, all right, so I'm about to act. I had to walk over here. I can use my phone, but I had to walk over here to finish my intro and act like I'm getting quarters, and I'm gonna just go back and say he said I can use my phone, Apple Pay. So we about to walk back over here and we about to get his reaction, y'all. Stay tuned, watch what I'm about to do. And I'm so nervous because he sleep and he be mad when he sleeps. So let's just pray this goes the right way. See y'all in a minute. This car. They can clean it, but I want to vacuum it and get most of it out.
Can you stop?
Why are you so against me vacuuming the car out? Like,
why do you do it again?
But you can vacuum yours out.
But you know that one fucking had hella ants in it. Baby, for Chick-fil-A clothes.
They're not going to close right now. And can he move with all that?
Chick-fil-A clothes.
Shut your door, Camille, because he knows how to run.
All the hotness is going to come in, and all the coldness. But all the hotness is coming in.
What you mean?
Who's this?
Right now.
Slowly, do you know what slowly means? You go to the Apple. You don't got an Apple phone? Yeah. No, you don't. Where? No. This thing ain't working.
I'm about to get the fuck up.
No, don't get out.
No.
Sit back. Go back to sleep. I got a vacuum all up there. It's gonna burn out. You know that.
So why is you vacuuming this for? What the fuck is you doing?
It was something on your hair.
Hey, Tashana, when I fucking backhand you, don't say nothing. How you want to play?
Sorry.
What this thing is?
Press that. No.
You want to play?
No. I'm really vacuuming for real. Move, let me get that.
Why are you vacuuming me?
It's stuck on your shirt.
What about up there?
Y'all saw that? Well, I'm vacuuming you because you dirty. You need to be vacuumed.
Hey, you had that dumbass camera on.
Of course I had the camera on. You started stuff out the freaking car. All you gotta do is take that out. Woo!
Moments later, a few minutes later, a few inches later, 12 seconds later, 3 days later, 3 weeks later, many months later, 6.5 hours later.
But yeah, y'all, so did y'all see that? I hope it was a good enough. I hope it was a good enough angle and for y'all to see. Team Light for the win once again.
Ain't no team like you wasted a damn vacuum on plane. You ain't even vacuumed the damn car.
It was $2 and we did get it vacuumed enough. We got it vacuumed enough, but
I should have known you was up to.
yeah, cause every day I was trying to vacuum, do it, but the vacuums was not working, or this, or that, or that, or this.
So that was your prank. I got you.
No, but that's not my only prank. I have something else up my sleeve. If y'all get this video to 2 likes, I'm gonna prank him again, cause I got something else up my sleeve that he going. Y'all want to see an animal go berserk? That's what y'all want to see. Freak a League. That's what y'all going to see if y'all stay tuned and get this video to 2 likes. He gonna get pranked again. Cause he wanna fall asleep. Like I'm not gonna prank you. Like I'm not gonna prank you.
Funny as shit. I'm gonna get you back though. I got you.
So team what?
Black.
Team what?
Black.
Team what?
Yeah, I see that.
Team what? Say it to the camera. Team what?
They gonna roast you.
Team what?
They gonna roast you in the comments
Team what?
for that.
Team what? You not gonna say it? You not gonna say it? Oh, you dead now. But you gonna be team what?
Team Light, dog.
He ain't gonna give me my props when
I said team. You should be like, hello. You should be lucky I said team light, dark light first instead of dark light.
This is what happens when you play with haters. But let me see y'all in the next video, because y'all already know what team it is. Pick a star and stay there. Team Light.
Black.
Team Light.
Team Black.
Team Light.
Team Black.
Team Black just got.
Team black.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.